Assalamu alaikum. This is your mentor Siraj Chowdhury here. So in this video, I will show you how to create a scrolling bar section. Okay. So what is scrolling section or scrolling bar or sticky bar section? So if you can see, there is an section when we scroll down, this image is sticky and this information, product information, is scrolling. Okay, so left side information like our product media or product image is sticky or fixed, and the product information is scrolling down. Like maximum time we customize our store like this type of design. When we customize by store by any page builder or theme, we can see this type of features. Like when we scroll, our image and information is scrolled down at a time, but there is a blank space because of we have lot of information in this site. Okay, so how can we do that? It's very simple. We just need to do a simple code here. We just fix our this section. So now this is the PageFly. Okay, so we will do this section, this scrolling section, by using PageFly now. Okay, so now we just need to select our this image product media. At first, the step one is we need to select the product media. Then we need to go in styling and paste here a CSS code. Okay, I already write the CSS code, and also I give you the code in my description box. So what is the CSS code? It is, you need to type position sticky, then top we will do 0%, top 0, and Z index, it's a very important, Z index 1. Okay, then we just need to copy this one and save. Now publish. Always remember, it will be work in publish mode. Okay. After publishing that, we will see our section, it will be sticky or scrolling. Let's take a time. Okay, let's see, view in live. So let's see, our previous one is like that, and our new sticky is like it is scrolling. Okay, so this is actually how can we customize our section in sticky or scrolling section. So it's a very easy and simple. I hope you all understand. Thank you.